My name is Samuel Moore, and I am going to be discussing my decomposition lab that I did. In this experiment, I submerged various pieces of waste into separate containers, one filled with normal water, the other filled with 1/4 cup of salt. My hypothesis was that the higher levels of salt in the water would increase the decomposition of the waste. I placed 2 bins of trash with its contents submerged, one in fresh water, the other in salt water. My dependent variable was the tank with the salt, while my independent variable was the trash being submerged, and my control group was the trash in the fresh water. I collected data on the total mass of each piece of trash. I collected data on each piece of the total mass of each piece of trash every week, and below are the observations I've made with pictures. So this is what it looked like on day 1, and here's what it looked like on week 3, and then here's all the different weights I made. As you can see, so these are the starting weights, but as I started doing more and more research on it and started learning and started taking more notes on it, I started to realize that the trash in the salt tank was actually preserving the trash more than actually degrading it or speeding up the degradation. So I ended up I guess my hypothesis was refuted. As you can see, if you can take a moment to see, the decomposition of the trash in the fresh water is clearly far more rapid than the decomposition of the trash in the salt water. And here's the next week that I did. And the next one, I did this for a while and learned quite a bit about it. So in conclusion, it would appear that this experiment completely refuted my hypothesis. The clear data between the two groups proves that the salt in the water doesn't increase the rate of decomposition, but slows it. I had no errors occur during the research I did, aside from wondering if the temperature was all right despite them being next to each other. And it also taught me about how quick tomatoes dissolve in fresh water, and that that biodegradable forks take far longer to decompose than they let on. And